able to actually secure them a higher dollar amount, better terms, and a lower overall cost of capital. Today, I'm going to be telling you about a group home business in Pennsylvania that I funded for $200,000 of working capital. This client specifically was looking for funds to cover the renovation costs of their facility. Once I took a deep dive into the application and the bank statements that they sent over, I saw that they were already currently working with a lender. I will say originally they were on a pretty tight timeline. So they reached out on Wednesday. Now they needed the funds in place to hire all the contractors by that Friday. So the quickest and easiest way would have just been to get them a second position behind that first position lender. The trick with this is typically any lender in a second position is always going to come in with a slightly more conservative offer, lower on the dollar amount, more expensive on the overall cost of capital, and typically shorter on the payback term. However, this is a very relationship-based industry. So I called the underwriter directly and was actually able to discuss with him the situation. In the end, we were able to actually secure them a higher dollar amount, better terms, and a lower overall cost of capital. So we funded a couple months ago. Once they received the funds, they were able to get underway with that renovating. And in the next couple months, I believe the main facility will be renovated. They're also adding on to their location. If you found this helpful, please share it with a fellow business owner, and we'll see you next time.